Tutorial 13. Quality check of the vetted data. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use the second part of the QGIS plugin, that is, data from mobile. This step is to be done after the completion of the attribute vetting process. In the first step of the plugin, the quality check of the vetted data would be checked grid by grid for the entire city. Each of the vetted.amrut file would be checked in terms of any new features added or any changes made in the geometries of the features for all the layers of the particular grid. Let's see the steps to be followed. Open the QGIS project, which was previously used for data exportation to mobile phone with all the layers used for vetting. Click on the Amrut plugin button. A dialog box will appear with two options, data to mobile and data from mobile. Click on data from mobile, which will open another dialog box with the options reconstruct layers and quality check. Click on quality check. A quality check dialog will appear. Navigate to the location of the saved .amrut files and select a valid .amrut file. Proceed with the validation. If the validation fails, the system will display the reason for the failure. Resolve the issue and restart from step 3. Click on Select Raster Layer to select any raster from the drop-down menu. Now, click on Select any layer for quality check and select the layer on which you want to perform the quality check. Click on the Proceed Quality Check button. In the next step, a new window will appear which displays the original data on the left side and field data on the right side. Here, any new feature or any change in geometry would be shown. For no change in geometry or in feature, a dialog box will appear with text 0 new features found in temporary layer or 0 geometry changes found in temporary layer. If a new feature is found, a new feature found dialog box will appear, displaying the number of new features detected in the temporary layer. Click OK to continue. The next step would be to verify these new features one by one. If you wish to accept a new feature from the vetted data, click Accept Vetted Feature. If you do not want to accept the feature, click Reject Vetted Feature. For geometry change, a Geometry Changes Found dialog will appear with the count of features whose geometry has been changed in temporary layer. Click OK to continue. The next step would be to verify these geometry changes one by one. If you wish to accept the geometry change in the feature from the vetted data, click Accept Vetted Feature. If you do not want to accept, click Reject Vetted Feature. Once all the geometry changes are reviewed, a confirmation dialog will appear. Click on Accept Vetted Data button. The confirmation dialog will be closed and you will be redirected to the new window, which displays the original data on left side and field data on the right side. Close that window. Repeat the same for all the layers of the .amrut file. When all the layers of the selected .amrut file are verified, a File Verify dialog will appear. Click on OK button and repeat the process. Thank you.